Today I'm going to show you two ways of updating the software on your Lowrance units. You can either do it with Wi-Fi at home or hotspotting off your mobile phone, or using a downloaded update file on a micro SD card. Just to check, first of all, that you're connected to the Wi-Fi at home or wherever you happen to have Wi-Fi. Just go into settings, down to wireless, connect to the internet, and you'll see here Wi-Fi networks not connected, but we'll find our Wi-Fi here, which is this one here. We click on that and I have to now enter the password. So we're now connected to our local Wi-Fi and we can close that screen. Now if we go back to System, scroll down to About, then touch on Support and check System for updates, it will tell you the current version that's on this unit, which happens to be 23.2, and we also have an Active Target 2 connected, and its current version is 23.1. It's vital that you maintain your updates on your units, both the live unit and on the AT2, so that they're matching and you'll get the best performance out of them both. I've actually looked at the website and there is an update for both of them. It's 23.3. And I've downloaded that update onto a micro SD card, which is the other way to update, which is how I'm going to show you to do it today. You open the unit, put the micro SD card in that you have downloaded the update on from your computer. Go to the power off button. Always use the power off button to turn your unit off, and restart. It'll automatically detect the update software on the micro SD card, and automatically it will just begin the update. That's all you have to do. Just make sure you don't turn the unit off during the update. This update could take a couple of minutes. Don't expect too much to happen, just have to be patient and wait. The unit is now just finalising the update and we're finished. It's loading its charts. Hit accept, and it's now telling me there are one software update available for devices on the network. Now, considering we've just installed the latest update to the sounder, that will be an update to the Active Target 2. As you can see here, the current version is 23.1, but the available version is 23.3, and the update that we've conducted on this is complete. Current version 23.3. So I've already downloaded the update, which I got from the Lowrance website. It's a little bit different to the update on the sounder, where you put the card in, turn the sounder on. This one, you have to do it manually. So leaving the unit on, you put the SD card in that you've already downloaded the software. Go to Storage. You'll see here memory card bottom, because I put it into the bottom slot. And you'll see here Active Target 23.3 standard, blah, blah, blah. It's the software update. You tap on that and it immediately recognises it and says, do you want to upgrade? You tap on upgrade and tap on which one you want, start upgrade, and you can see here it's transferring the data from the SD card into the unit, and it will then start updating. It's now synchronising the file systems, and we just have to wait until it finishes. Now you'll see it's rebooting the module on the Active Target 2, which is important. Don't forget to turn your Active Target 2 module on before you do this, otherwise the unit won't recognise that it's there. The progress is displayed. It's currently 15%. We just have to keep waiting for a minute or so. Okay, the upgrade is now complete. Just press OK and close that screen. Well, we can just go straight back to our original home screen. We can now go to Settings, System, About, Support, check for system updates. Last checked, today's date and time. Active target 2, current version 23.3, HDS Pro 16, current version 23.3. So they are both up to date with the latest software and will work flawlessly.